In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to curves in Affinity Designer. Converting text to curves turns your live, editable text into vector shapes made of nodes and paths. This is essential when you want to customize letter forms, send files to print without font issues, or share artwork with others who might not have your fonts installed. I'll walk you through each action, explain why it matters, and offer a few simple tips along the way. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer and make sure you have a document open. On the left side of the interface, look for the Artistic Text tool, which has a large T icon. This tool is ideal for titles, logos, and short phrases because it treats the text as a single object that's easy to position and scale. If you see the Frame Text tool, that's for paragraphs. Today, we'll stick with the Artistic Text tool. With the Artistic Text tool active, click once on your canvas and type your text. Keep it simple for your first try. You can highlight the text to change the font, weight, size, or tracking using the context toolbar at the top. Feel free to place the text where you want it and scale it by dragging a corner handle while holding shift to keep proportions. Set the fill color and, if needed, a stroke so you can clearly see the outlines. Now move your pointer directly over the text object and right-click to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works. On some keyboards, control-click does the same. In that menu, choose Convert to Curves. The instant you do this, Affinity Designer changes your text into vector curves. It will no longer be editable as live text, but it will look exactly the same. In the Layers panel, the object may appear as a group containing individual letters. You can expand that group, and if you switch to the Node tool, you'll see all the nodes and handles you can adjust for precise shaping. A quick tip before converting. If you think you'll need to edit the wording later, duplicate the text layer and hide it as a backup. Converting to curves is perfect for logo lockups, signage, or any file you're handing off to a printer to avoid missing font errors. That's all there is to it. Open Affinity Designer, use the Artistic Text tool, type your text, right-click, and choose Convert to Curves. You're ready to create custom, font-independent vector lettering with confidence.